Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. My name is Kendra, and in today's video I am budgeting for my actual paycheck. So the previous video I just did a budget, like a little guesstimate of what I thought I would get paid, but for this video it's going to be what I actually got paid. So we are going to go ahead and turn to the page, my budgeting page. So this is for the 4th week of June, or this is my 4th paycheck of June, and I'm using this pen today. My daughter gave me this pen. I love it because it has clouds. So cute, and it writes really good. I love the way it feels when I write with it. So I'm going to use this one today. And I do have my son in the background. He's a little bit fussy today because he's playing a game, I think. So y'all gonna hear him complaining in the background, and he's not gonna be singing today. All right, so today is the 26th. I didn't get paid today, but I know what I'm getting paid. So I'm actually getting paid on the 27th. So let's go ahead and write the 27th. That's the day I get paid. But I do know that I'm getting paid $954, which is $54 more than what I budgeted for. I'm going to take this off because it's probably going to be annoying. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. Oh, first of all, I want to say thank you to all my recent subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. You guys are getting me to my 500 subscriber goal. That way I can do the giveaway. So thank you so much for your support. Oh my goodness. Every time I think I'm on the roll with getting videos out, this happens. Alright, so for mortgage is going to get $152. So everything for bills is going to stay the same. Phones getting $20, utilities $35, car insurance $20, internet $15. So that is $242. Let me grab my calculator. So we're going to subtract $242 from $954. And we get $712. So hopefully you guys can see because it's looking blurry to me. Alright, so we're going to stick with the budget for the variable expenses. Gas is getting $50. Groceries is getting $0. Eating out is getting $55. Shopping is getting $0. Miscellaneous is getting $15. So that should be $120. So $712 minus $120 equals $592. So with the extra $54, I am going to put that towards, I might as well put it towards the sinking funds. So savings is going to get $50. Investment is going to get $55. Savings challenge is still going to get $120. And then instead of $315 for, is it $315? No, I think it's $313. Instead of $313 for sinking funds, we are going to add the $54. So $313 plus 54 equals $367. So we have $367 for sinking funds, and once I total this up, it should equal $592. So 50 plus 55 plus 120 plus 367 equals $592. So $592, which gives us a zero-based budget. So let me go ahead and add these three numbers up to make sure I get $954, which is my paycheck. So $242 plus 120 plus 592 equals 954. So that is correct for that. So now I can go ahead and do my denominations. I'm going to go ahead and write everything down over here that I'm stuffing. So I'm writing down my mortgage, phone, utilities, car insurance, okay, so now I have everything written down and how much they're getting stuffed with. So I'm going to go ahead and do my denomination. So mortgage is going to get one $100 bill of 50 and 2 ones. Phone gets 120. Utilities gets a 20, a 10, and a 5. Car insurance is going to get a 20. Internet is getting a 10 and a 5. Gas is getting 50. Eating out gets a 20. 3 10s and a 5. Miscellaneous gets a 10 and a 5. Savings gets 50. Investment gets 50 and a 5. Savings challenge gets 100 and a 20. And then sinking funds, I do have sinking funds written down. And since I added the $54, I'm going to make it easy on myself. So sinking funds gets, let's see where I'm going to add the $54 first. $54 is going to go to, I'm going to put 54 towards dental. So 54, which means dental is getting 79, which means I gotta fix the ones. So we just added 4 ones, which means it gets 7 ones. And then I'm just gonna do a $50 bill, which means it gets 3 50s, which makes 150. Okay. Oh wait, I did that wrong. It gets 50. That means it's gonna get a, it's already getting a 20 and a 5. Okay, yeah, I did that right. Hopefully. Okay, so let's see. It gets 3 50s, 8 20s, 2 10s, 6 5s, and 7 ones. So let's see if I can add that up to make sure it equals 367. All right, so 3 50s is 150 plus 160 plus 20 plus 30 plus 7 equals 367. So that is correct. All right, so now I can go ahead and add everything together. So the bill quantity is 2 100s. We have 3 4 5 6 7 50s. We have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 20s. We have 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 10s. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 5s. And we have 7, 8, 9 1s. So 2 $100 bills equals 200. 7 $50 bills. So 7 times 50 is 350. Then we have 13 20s equals 260. We have 8 10s, which I know equals 80. We have 11 5s, which should equal 55. And 9 1s, which equals 9. Alright, so when I add these up, they should equal $954. So let's go ahead, add it up. $954. So yes, that is perfect. I don't have to sit here and guess what I did wrong. I did it right. So now I can go to the bank tomorrow and take out my denominations for my cash stuffing. So that is it for this video. I feel like I'm missing something. Am I missing something? Oh, guess what? I finally took my car to the shop. So my car is in the shop right now, and I'll be able to use the money that I stuffed for my car. It is only, not only, but it is $621 to get fixed. So that is this whole savings challenge right here, which is $600, and then I have another $600 in my sinking funds, which means I'll have like $580, I'm gonna say $575 left to do whatever I want with. So I'll probably leave a little bit still in the car envelope and then put the rest towards either dental or eye care. So we'll see. I'm not positive with that, but it's just nice to know that I have extra money that I could put towards somewhere else. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and please consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber already. I would love to have you here, and thank you so much to my returning subscribers. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.